Are you someone who's been looking for a way to verify that the information from Amazon is complete and accurate when it goes through A2X and lands in your accounting software? If so, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Patti Scharf, CPA and partner at Acuity, and today I'm going to talk about A2X's newest beta feature. It's called the A2X Amazon Summary Report, and it is going to add some transparency to the information that A2X is processing for you for your Amazon data. So this is the first of two recent updates to come out of A2X. Both of them are great, but they've got kind of different audiences. So the one that I'm going to talk about in a couple of weeks is about Shopify, and that one is super exciting for me. This one's great too, but I want you to come back for the other one. All right. Before I get started, I want to state for the record that I'm not getting paid for this, that there's no paid advertisement going on here, no kickbacks, no fees, no anything coming to me. It's just when I see really cool stuff in the space, I want to make sure that everybody hears about it. So that's why I'm doing a YouTube video on it. All right. So for Amazon bookkeeping is something I've been shouting from the rooftops about for over a decade. And if you go watch this video here, it's going to tell you about all the reasons why basically A2X is the solution that I recommend to everybody for their Amazon recording of their income and all of that stuff. I'm not going to bore you by reiterating all of that there. Go watch that video. But I will say that the reason why I recommend A2X for Amazon is because it takes all the Amazon sales, expenses, taxes, and it batches all the information, but splits it across appropriate periods, and it always reconciles to the penny. So I have loved it for a really long time. I've been evangelizing about it for a really long time, and this is all great. So if it's all reconciling and I'm confident in the tool, then what is this A2X Amazon Summary Report for? And here's what it's for. I am not the e-commerce seller. I am not the CEO. I am not the auditor of the books. I am the one actually preparing the information. So just because I have confidence that it's reconciling to the penny does not necessarily mean that everybody is on board. They want proof. They don't want to hear me say, trust me, it works. They would like to see, oh yes, verifiable information that shows them that this information is accurate and it's pulling it in. So what this report does is it provides transparency for any of the stakeholders who care about having accurate books. All right. So here's how this report solves the problem. What it does, if you go into A2X, and I'm not going to do a whole demo of it because Nori Sheng from A2X did one already. I'm going to post a link down below. You can go watch the webinar that they did that walks you through the tool and shows you how to use it. But what it does, in short, is when you're in A2X, you can go to this report and you can run the report for whatever period of time you want to. So let's say you want to run it for February. Then you put in your February dates, you run the report, and it will spit out a report that looks a lot like the report that you get from the Amazon Seller Central account. If you've ever seen those monthly reports, it's got income, it's got expenses, it's got taxes, and it's got the details kind of broken out for that monthly period. What A2X does when they are building this report is they look at all of the settlement statements that they've grabbed from Amazon. They shuffle the information around and present it in the exact same format so that you can open up your windows and you can look at Amazon Seller Central and you can look at A2X and the information's going to match. And that's how you know that the information that's in A2X that's getting posted to your accounting system is the exact same information. Okay. So if you're seeing some discrepancies, maybe you have extra settlement statements that you pulled in. Maybe you haven't pulled in enough settlement statements. Maybe you just haven't done everything you need to do. But this is going to give you the verifiable proof that you know that what's in there is accurate and is being posted appropriately. All right. So I hope this helps you out. Again, check out the video that A2X has posted below if you want more information, because I think being able to see it will really help you. But this report is really just peace of mind and transparency. And I think it's going to help a lot of people out. So please remember to come back in a couple of weeks where I talk about the Shopify reconciliation tool. And in the meantime, I hope you like this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll catch you later.